It's okay. Is that blood? What? Wait, come on. Hello and welcome to ASTRAY. I'm Ken and Prophet for CG Cookie, and in this course we're going to take a piece of concept art and call out the assets we need to make to convert that 2D piece into a 3D world that you can fly a camera through and tell a story. We're going to cover rocks, grass, trees, modeling, texturing, surfacing, lighting, rendering, some geometry nodes. There's going to be tips and tricks all along the way to streamline the process of making a fantasy environment that not only looks good, but also tells an epic story. So I hope you dive in with me and enjoy Astray in Blender.